Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change your privacy settings on Facebook. So go up in your Facebook profile and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. Go to settings and then tap on profile settings and then tap on privacy. And when you scroll down here, here are the things that you can change up to however you'd like. For example, under your activity, it says here who can see your future posts. As you can see, mine is currently set to public. So if I want to change that, I'll just tap on it and just change it, for example, to only me. And that is automatically saved. And when I go back, I can just keep doing this for the rest of the options and basically just customize them to however I want, and it'll all be automatically saved. There you have it. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.